In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your calendar in Calendly. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting with this platform, knowing how to efficiently access your calendar is crucial for managing your appointments and events seamlessly. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process, step by step. First, let's start from the beginning, your Calendly homepage. When you log into your Calendly account, you arrive at the homepage. This is your starting point, and from here, you can access a variety of features Calendly offers to streamline your scheduling tasks. Now, let's focus on finding and viewing your calendar. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a sidebar. Look for the section labeled Availability. This is the key area where you can manage your schedule and availability settings. Go ahead and click on Availability. This will direct you to the next section where you can further tailor your calendar settings. Once you're in the Availability section, shift your attention to the right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled Calendar. Click on Calendar to move forward. This step is perhaps the most crucial as it directly takes you to the area where all your schedules and events are visible. Upon clicking Calendar, you'll be directed to the page where you can see a comprehensive view of your calendar. This page displays all the active events that are scheduled, allowing you to get a clear picture of what your upcoming days, weeks, or even months look like. Take a moment to orient yourself with the display. You'll notice dates, times, and potentially colored blocks marking different events or appointments you have lined up. This view is incredibly useful for a quick snapshot of your commitments, helping you manage time effectively. You might want to familiarize yourself with the different navigation tools available on this page, like switching between daily, weekly, or monthly views, which can provide different perspectives on your schedule. This sort of flexibility is omnipresent in Calendly, making it a powerful tool for anyone that juggles multiple tasks or needs to coordinate with others regularly. Remember, understanding how to efficiently navigate these basic steps within Calendly can greatly enhance your scheduling workflow. It ensures you never miss an appointment and are always prepared for what's ahead. Explore the calendar features further in your spare time. You'll discover various tools and customization options that can further aid in enhancing your experience and productivity. I hope this walkthrough helps you become more confident in navigating your calendar within Calendly. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more guides on maximizing your use of Calendly.